Hey guys, this is Josh. Today we're going to learn how to count in 6/8. More specifically, we're going to learn how to count the rhythm for the Addams Family theme song. So first we're going to review a little bit. We're going to go over counting in 4/4, which I'm sure everybody's done before, is at least somewhat comfortable with. So first we're going to listen to a little tune that's in 4/4, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to find the beat. So there's going to be a pulse, and there's going to be 4 pulses. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to sit there and listen to it and try to like tap your foot to it, or just feel the pulse. So here we go. Feel that? Tap, 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 tap. All right, so that was a tune in 4/4. So the big difference between 4/4 and 6/8 is that 4/4 is, like I said, 4 pulses, but it's all about the subdivision. So each pulse can be subdivided into 2 equal parts. So if you're to count it, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Where 6/8 is 2 pulses that are subdivided into 3 parts. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and so that's the big difference between the two. So let's listen to another song that's in 6/8 this time. All right, here we go.
Forgetting the smell of the warm summer air. I live in a town where you can't smell a thing. You watch your feet for cracks in the pavement.
Alright, so that song was in 6/8. So hopefully that helped you kind of feel the difference between 4/4 and 6/8. Now we're going to look at the piece we're going to learn today, the Addams Family theme. So we can look at that score. And I'm going to just play it right now just so you can hear it and we can get kind of a feel for it. I'm going to play it at about the tempo we're going to play it at, which is a lot slower than normal, but it's a good place to start. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so I think the hardest part is going to be the rhythm. So I think we should just jump in and read the rhythm together. We can just count it together. So we can just start on this first page. We'll read this and then we'll move on. So this is the beginning part. So I'll give you a measure for free, and we'll count. Remember, counting is 1 and 2 and so here it goes. 1 and 2 and 1, 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 2 and 1. And we'll stop right there. So that seems pretty straightforward. I think you can definitely get that. let's just move on. So the beginning part we just learned is the same as the ending part. So we have both of those already done. So this middle section is the only thing left. So this rhythm is really repetitive. And again, if you're looking at it, and if we're counting 1 and 2, and you can see that most of these, the kind of pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's just do the same thing. We'll just read it together. We'll count it together. Let's all just read the top line, though, the violin 1 line. I think if we get that down, then the other ones make a lot more sense because they're actually a little bit more simple. So again, we're counting 1 and 2, and so I'm going to give you one free measure, and then we're going to come in on the of 2. So 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And we'll stop. So the best thing you can do is keep counting through these rhythms until you're really familiar and comfortable with them, and then just keep cranking the metronome up. Get the tempo up a little bit quicker. And I think if you're actually closer to the tempo of the real piece, you're going to be a lot more comfortable with playing it, and it's going to actually make it easier for you. So keep it up. Thanks.